Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is called Margarita Bars. It's so yummy, so sweet, I have to say that. In fact, you should be serving it with icing sugar, supposedly. I got the recipe from the librarian I worked at the college, and she said she makes the best margarita bars, and she shared the recipe to me, so I gave it a try today. And yes, I fell in love with it. But again, she said it's supposed to be with icing sugar on the top. So yes, you can serve it with icing sugar. But again, this is very sweet bars, and I serve it as is, and that's enough sweetness for me. It's very easy to make. It's almost like lemon squares, but yeah, it's using lime because it's margarita lime margarita. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of enriched flour with half cup of sugar, and then we're gonna cut in 1 cup of unsalted butter. So again, 1 cup unsalted butter. You can mix it with pastry blender or knife and fork, or even food processor if it's quicker for you, or even your hand. And we're gonna mix this until crumbly texture. This is room temperature butter that's still a little bit firm, so it's not like melted or too soften. Once texture is already crumbly like this, nicely mix butter, flour, and sugar. Dump it on parchment lined or aluminum lined baking pan. Now just spread it and press it nicely, covering the rectangular pan. You can use the back of your hand, the back of a cup or glass, or a spoon like what I'm doing at the moment. Once it's nicely compacted on your baking pan, we're gonna bake it for 30 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of tequila with 1 tablespoon of cointreau. It's orange liquor, and half cup of lime juice. This is 1.5 cup of sugar with 2 grated peel of lime. We're just gonna mix it, and we're gonna use electric mixer, or you can use electric blender or food processor, is up to you. Add in 1/4 cup of enriched flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a super generous pinch of fine sea salt. Mix it like this first. Now we're gonna crack 4 eggs, and we're gonna mix it with our electric mixer. So for this mixture, you want to blend it very well. Now pour in your liquor mixture, and we're gonna blend it until just combine. Now pour mixture onto our base, and we're gonna bake it again for another 25 to 30 minutes. Take out from oven and cool completely before slicing. The slices are sweet as is, but I was informed it would be nicer with icing sugar. But for me personally, it's nice as is because it's sweet already. You can see the lime layer, yum.